my friends and teachers who are present here. Today, I, Purva Dholakia, take this opportunity of welcoming you all to the very first event of the club Abhivyakti,
मैडम नहीं हो हमारे स्टूडेंट अच्छा
which is the first event of the Public Speaking Club, which is a part of the Department of Public Policy and Governance under the umbrella of BK School of Professional and Management Studies. Abhivyakti is basically going to be your journey to view yourself, where you are going to learn and share a lot of things with your friends. You might learn something new, or you might teach everybody present here something new. Our vision is that tomorrow, when you step in the real world, you should be the provider of dynamic, high value, experiential communication and leadership skills and development. The power of confidence is the power one never loses. And through Abhivyakti, we want each and every one of you to feel comfortable and confident in your own ways of expression. So Abhivyakti brings here our first event of and our first event, Todo Bandhan Bolo Sabjan, which I, along with my team, has organized for the students of the Department of Public Policy and Governance. The theme here is basically sky is the limit. We have given you all the freedom of choice so that you can share your thoughts with full freedom in front of the people who you interact with almost on a daily basis. So let's begin Todo Bandhan and Bolo Sabjan. I would like to call upon our first participant, Amit Khamar from Defense Management. We welcome you.
Thank you, Purva.
And I would request if it's possible, everybody, when they are saying, you can switch on your camera. It's your wish completely. Please continue, Amitji.
Yeah, thank you, Purva, for the introduction. On this behalf of all the people, just would like to see that this is the platform where we can share our ideas, our thought process, and we can talk with each other about any point of things. So I believe that everybody should participate and talk with each other, and don't be a mingle with just like with the other topics, but I will wish that everybody should be on talk on a point of to point and share their views. If somebody is having a different views or ideas, then they can share that, okay, my point of view like this, and my point of view about this thought process is like this. So everybody should participate in the things, and everybody should cooperate with each other, that everybody will get a chance to speak out in this way. So what happened, the skills which you are having in a public you can say the debate, which will improve yourself as a confidence level, and also it will create your personality, that whenever you are in the other areas or whenever you are attending some interviews or a debate, your personality should show these things. Yeah, this guy or this girl would be in a such a way with the speaking, with their attitude, with their expression, so that would be impressive, and the people will like you to talk with you, and people will always try to mingle with you. Why? Because you are having a such niche personality, which I told you that would be a outstanding personality, and that qualities you are having. So I request to all of you, and all the ways to all of you, to participate in each topic wherever the people are suggesting you, and share your thoughts. Thank you so much, all of you, and Purva.
Thank you so much. And we are very grateful. I mean, on behalf of my team, I'm very grateful for saying all this. You expressed it in a beautiful manner, what we are trying to tell everyone and, share with everyone since the last 1 week. So thank you, Amitji. So now moving
My
on to our
pleasure.
next participant, Ishita Ruparelia. She is from event management. Ishita, we welcome you.
Thank you, Purva. Thank you for introduction. So, hello, good evening, everyone present over here. Hope everyone is doing well in this pandemic period. So, in this tough situation, we all are here to have some change and exchange our thoughts and ideas with each other and spend some of the time over here. So, today my topic is about music. So, music has a power to heal. Music is a form of a melody that soothes into our body, making us feel refreshed and relaxed of all the anxiety and stress we face in everyday life. It is not just a part of entertainment but also a great way of healing pain. It makes us forget about unpleasant and distributing thoughts, take us to the world of melody that gives us the most mollifying feeling in the entire world. Music can bring back old memories, the best and finest one would have we had. Music can also stimulate the mind. There are many things in music to which one can listen and bring attention. Music can raise someone's mood, get them excited, or make them calm and relaxed. Music also, this is important, allow us to feel nearly or possible all emotions that we experience in our lives. Lastly, I want to say that music is a gift of God, and if you are skilled with music, you have a gift to cherish forever. I thank those musicians who have beautiful melodies support in the low time and help me to celebrate in my good and my bad time. In this lockdown situation also, we can forget all our stress by listening to the music and our favorite kinda of the music. It will help us to feel relaxed and we can enjoy in this situation also. Thank you everyone. Thank you for the listening.
Thank you so much, Ishita. You really shared amazing thoughts, and definitely music is like an unpaid therapist, and we all will agree to that. Now, I would like to call upon our next participant, Gandhi Dhruvin, who is from Business Economics and Public Finance. We welcome you, Dhruvin.
पूर्वा इफ यू डोंट माइंड मैं थोड़ी देर के बात कर सकता हूँ अभी पॉसिबल नहीं होगा
Yeah, sure, yeah. Okay, so let's move on, and we would like to call upon Tejaswini Sahu from Defense Management. Are you there, Tejaswini?
I think Purva, she is not here. Let's move to other contestant.
Okay, so Kalal Divya from Defense Management, are you ready?
Yes,
Okay.
my name is दिव्या कलाल फ्रॉम डिफेंस मैनेजमेंट। मैं फोटोग्राफी के बारे में बोलना चाहूंगी। मुझे फोटोग्राफी का बहुत शौक है एंड एवरीडे लोग बोलते हैं कि तुम अपनी सेल्फी डेली क्यों रखती हो, तुम अपने पिक क्यों डेली लाइक करती हो, लाइक तुमको ऐसा क्या है। मैंने बोला मैं अपने आप को डेली प्रेजेंट करती हूँ सबके सामने और मैं अपने आप को सबसे ज्यादा पसंद करती हूँ। ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई अपने आप को पसंद नहीं करता है, बट मुझे अपने आप को डेली कुछ न्यू यूनिक देखना है। दैट्स व्हाई आई क्लिक माय पिक एवरी डे। मुझे मॉडलिंग का भी बहुत शौक है। कुछ लड़कियां इसलिए मॉडलिंग नहीं करती है क्योंकि उनके पेरेंट्स लोग उनको ये कहते हैं कि ये इस फील्ड में जाना आपके लिए अच्छा नहीं है, ये नहीं। बट नहीं, आपको कुछ करना, आप ड्रीम देख रहे हो तो आप आगे बढ़ो और कुछ करो। आपको इसमें आगे जाना ही चाहिए। दैट्स माय पॉइंट। थैंक यू पूर्वा।
थैंक यू सो मच दिव्या। एक्चुअली ये मेरा फर्स्ट इवेंट था मेरे और मेरे टीम का, and I did not expect people coming up with so many new and amazing topics to talk about. So something you talked about is actually self love, and we all should actually think about it. So thank you, Divya. And now we would like to call upon Yashvi Jain from Event Management. Are you here, Yashvi?
No, she is not. I think so.
She's not. Okay. So, Nimawat Janvi from Defense Management, are you there?
No.
Okay. Okay, so Aishri Soni from Public Policy.
Yeah.
Yes. Um, Hello, I am Ashvi and I'll be reciting Your Life is a Fountain of Dreams by Christina Tedor. You know what? Life is a journey that all we take. We should fearless, do every day forward a step. Could be a fail or could be not. We should let life to flow. Life is a mystery each passing day. We wake up and find unbelievable ways. We seek, we experience, we fail, we fulfill our knowledge and hunger. Each experience of life make us stronger. Life is a struggle and life is a joy. We can experience happiness or pain. It's about choices we should take. Life is a lesson each step that we make. Moments of life are bad or good. We live and remember those moments. Memories will be kept forever in our hearts. But, hopes are base of the future. Never give up losing. Never give up hoping. Life is a short, but didn't finish yet. As long as you are still living, your life is a fountain of dream. Just remember this thing. Your life is a fountain of dream. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ashvi. You did a great job and amazing. I really loved your voice. So,
Thank you so much.
moving on to our next participant, Parth Panchal from Defense Management. Are you there?
Purva, he is not there.
Okay. So, Yatri, you would like to continue?
Yeah, no, I can't continue today.
Okay. So, then there is Girish Pahelwani from Defense Management. Are you there?
Okay, Purva, let me speak something because it's our club, right? So let me
Yes.
speak. Let me try. So, guys, I really want to say that how it is important to be an extrovert person, because if you be an extrovert person, for you itself it's most important because you feel so confident. And I think so I am a quite introvert person, so I am trying to be an extrovert. That's why I joined this club. And that's it. Today I really don't want to talk much because I'm not well. So Purva, over to you, please.
Thank you so much, Yatri. I know you have a very bad toothache and yet you tried, so I appreciate you for that. So now I would like to call upon Selina Chauhan, if she's here, and she has given her name.
Yes.
So,
So, a very good evening to one and all. Myself, Salina Chauhan. Today, I'm going to present a topic which shows the pain in different manner, but common to all. Somewhere we all have felt this pain. I have given my topic a name that aches. What do you do when you feel nothing? Nothing at all. When speaking or spilling of words seems like an effort. When the cold breeze doesn't pinch your skin. When you actually feel nothing but the apathy that is eating you up. What do you do when you feel you're closed inside a glass coffin, struggling to breathe? How would you help yourself when everything that you feel, everything that you are going through is just something abstract, which you probably can't ever explain? What do you do when you're tired of putting on the horrible sanity to fit in? How do you touch yourself when it is not just the heart anymore, but your whole body that aches? Thank you, each and everyone who is present over here.
thank you so much, Selina. It was wonderful listening to you. Now I call upon Adhira Nair to share her thoughts and views with us.
Uh, A warm good evening to all present here. Myself, Athira Nair from Defense Management. Today, I want to share one experience which I had when I had participated in a inter-college competition of elocution. The participation reason was one of my sir. He told me I was quite introvert type character. So he told me that instead of running behind marks and behind the subjects, it's better you start coming out of your that four walls and start exploring your own self to others. So he said that marks are just an entry ticket where you will get an easy entry. But the one thing that is more important is personality development, and that is only possible if you will start exploring and you will having an different ideas, and you have to be out of the box character. So when I participated the first competition, it was conducted by Gujarat University. That was really a horrible situation which I had faced. I started shivering in front of a mass number of people, and I was not able to speak out. From that moment onwards, I decided that I would improve my character, and definitely I would start speaking in front of people. And from that moment onwards, I started participating in a lot many competitions, and I had improved myself, and now I am totally an extrovert. And yes, by participating in every competition where you can explore yourself, where you can share your opinions, then it's really great. So you have a personality development, and definitely in future also you would be able to fight against your fear which you are holding in your mind. So I would like to conclude here. So stop being to be too introvert. Let's explore yourself and let's be an out of box. Let's be different and let's be unique in front of the peoples. So thank you, Purva.
Thank you so much, Athira. And I feel very good that you came out and you overcame your fear. Now, I would like to call upon Shreya Manyar from Business Economics and Public Finance to continue with her thoughts.
Hello, good evening everyone. Myself Shreya Maniyar. Today my topic is unemployment in India. The problem of unemployment is the most serious facing our country. The large number of educated and uneducated people about in search of some job. They are willing to work but they cannot get it. There is unemployment in cities, town and even in villages. The main causes of unemployment is first of all the overpopulation of the country, which brings competition in all professional sectors. The young generation is likely to remain unemployed than the older generation. It is estimated that 23% of the youth the currently unemployment in the world. 75 million people are trained each year but have no job. In the year 2020, there were about 11.3 million unemployed people in India. Among all regions, caste India has the lowest rate of unemployment. Thank you. Over to you, Purva.
Thank you so much, Shreya. We loved listening to you. So now I would like to call upon Janmajay Amin from Defense Management.
Yeah, thank you, Pooja, for inviting me and giving me a chance to speak. So, as I want to share my experience, I used to be introvert, like so introvert that I did not used to talk even to my parents that much. But after some point, there was a point in my life where it became necessary that I would need to communicate with someone, because you can say there is one saying कि जे बोले ते ना बोलवे चाहे. So when I came into college, school means 10th, 12th, 10th, 11th, 12th, then it was very clear that I was not very open with everyone, and I felt like I was being left alone. So what I did was, then back then I used started talking with people, participating in events and stuff. And recently I started my YouTube channel. But the thing was, I was very conscious in front of camera, and I couldn't do that. So with the help of my mom gave me push कि नहीं ये करना ही है तुमको. matlab if you cannot do this, then how will you face the world? So means I was like, okay, koi baat nahi, chalo, let's give it a try. So in the beginning, my mom used to do videos with me, and then it came to a point when I didn't notice that my mom just didn't stop being there in the my videos, and it was only me and my experience I was vlogging. So it's very nice to be, to interact with someone. You get to learn many things from people every day. So what I would like to say overall is that whenever you get a chance, you just speak, because speaking can improve your experience so much. And really, believe me, I'm saying it from my personal experience, that if you speak, then you can be at anywhere, any position. So that was all from my side. Thank you, Pooja, for giving me this chance.
Thank you so much, Janmajay, that you actually overcame your fears and now you are and like where you are and you have your YouTube channel and everything is doing and working out so well for you. So now Dhruvin Gandhi, would you like to go next?
Yes, Purva.
Yes, continue.
Hello. Am I visible? Audible?
Yes, you are. Please
Okay.
continue.
Good evening, all presented here. And first of all, I would like to congratulate the club for such a great start. And I would like to share some of my thoughts about inner peace today, the most needed thing in recent time. People nowadays are so busy to chasing to find the answer of their lives. Who am I? How can I be a perfect person? Where is my life going? Those endless number of questions just make people more miserable because there are no true answer for it. Clearly, when we find the answers, life will change the questions and result. People tend to be stuck with distraction and upset in their lives. However, people can live in a harmony with those feelings by having inner peace, which is state of spiritual calm and relaxation even though there are a lot of stressors around. In other words, inner peace is just simple as sitting under the tree with relaxed mind and letting things go. Therefore, once we are able to pursue inner peace, we will bring happiness not only to ourselves but also to everyone living around. People can find inner peace through acceptance. The world surrounding us seems to fill with many negative and struggling problems. On newspaper or TV, it is easy to see a lot of horrible news such as war, violence, disease and disaster happening every day to everyone all over the world. This kind of stuff will definitely make our feeling down. However, we need to continue to live our lives despite how difficult this world is. Therefore, finding peace in mind is necessary lesson that everyone need to learn to balance their life. And in last, I would like to say inner peace can be obtained by letting things go. So, thank you having me. Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much, Dhruvin. You were wonderful. And now I would like to call upon Vanraj, who wants to share his thoughts with us. Welcome, Vanraj. The platform is all yours.
Thank you. Thank you. Good evening, friends. Today I want to tell you some few lines about value of time. What is time? Time is the only thing that.
Vanraj, your voice is not audible.
Hello. Now it's clear.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I want to share some lines on the value of time. What is time? Time is the only thing that never returns once you have spent it doing any work. It always flows in a forward direction, which means time is unrelevant, so we should never waste the time. Most of us know that time can never be brought back, but we will still waste it doing unnecessary things or doing nothing. All successful people respects the time of theirs and understand the importance of time in their life. They are also very they are also very punctual on their time. suppose we have example of Elon Musk in his free of time, he always doing reading books. He always read books about some new ideas. Yeah, he had not done in engineering of rocket science or any other. He is actually economist, but he is successfully working a rocket science company, which he had learned from reading some books on the rocket propulsion systems. Yes. Through the time management, if we all want to manage our time, then we must make lists of works, priorities, tasks, and set goals to achieve. Last of all, one thought I want to share. If today were the last day of your life, would you want to do what you are about to do today? Okay, thank you for listening.
Thank you so much, Manraj. We really loved listening to you.
Purva, wait. The one who are joining, there are almost 51 people, right? So, guys, you can also interact with us, right? मतलब जो लोग बोल रहे
Yeah,
हैं
if you
उनके
want to
साथ
like participate now, also you can write in the chat box or give
Yes.
me a text on my number so I can announce your name next. That's fine. Okay.
And
So
and
next,
1 minute, Pooja. And the peoples who are speaking, please on their cameras. So let's interact in a better manner, and let's remove our shy which we are facing.
yeah,
So let's
that's what
interact.
this evening is actually all about. And I won't force you or anything, but if you can, then it will be really good.
Yeah, it would be good because we want to see each one the smiling face. Because
Exactly.
all people
Exactly.
are hide during the
I
lectures because all are maybe in the lectures they people sleep or they people eating. So we don't want to see. But right now, at least for a 5 minutes, everyone should open their cameras with the smiling
Cameras and
face.
And this
let's
is a
have a good
very on the
interaction
spot
session.
event of sharing your thoughts. So,
Thoughts,
तुम जब
yeah.
बोल रही हो तुम्हारे thoughts, so like we would really love to see your expressions. So yeah,
And and later on we can do one thing also, like you people can select the subjects and you can give anyone on the spot subjects and we can speak out for a 2 minutes or a 1 minute. So everyone should be very much enthusiasm regarding the subject line as well as whatever their thought process on that particular subject that would be come out.
that because this was the first event, so we gave the freedom of choice,
No, no,
that
that's
people
true
can
and
actually
that's
talk
very much
about
good.
things, their own journeys, like Janmajay did. Someone talked about music. So इसीलिए इस बार हमने theme रखा ही नहीं, that people can
ये
actually talk.
जन्मे जय तो आरजे ही लग रहा है अभी right now.
Janmajay is actually, yeah.
So right now he's just look like a RJ, like good evening, decades, just like that.
Okay,
I'm
so
very
next.
happy that everybody should be having whatever the fears they are come out because I was having the same experience when I am a student. So I was having a fear because I was from a Gujarati medium student, and that's called how I explore myself. So I wish all the people should be do that the same thing and they can explore their all thought process and come out with their fear.
Actually, Neelam ma'am has introduced this with the idea कि लोग पहले दिन सिर्फ introduction देंगे ना तो भी चलेगा. But
Yes,
she
that's why I
wants
put
people
it.
to talk, to interact, because after 2 years, she has a dream for each one of us. And that's why this is a very important platform that she has given us all. So yeah.
And
Anyone can
definitely,
speak, please.
Help you in a virtual mode.
Yeah.
yeah.
Because whenever we are in a circle, people will definitely thought everyone whatever the thought is. But in this virtual, people are always fear.
Yeah. And even if we all sit with each other for 5-6 hours in lectures and all, but when certain events come up, people just go very shy कि नहीं बोलना है ये वो. So
You
yeah,
should speak out.
Yes. But
exactly.
at least actually don't fear about that to speak in only English. You can speak in a Gujarati, Hindi, any
Yeah.
languages
Any
because
language
if
which
you
is
will speak
comfortable.
any languages then only you will come out that हाँ अभी तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे मुंह से कुछ तो निकल रहा है.
Yeah.
Bahina. So
And that way,
let's continue.
you can make even the other person comfortable when you use
Sonaki is
the language of
Sonaki is
communication,
just
which is
reviewing all the
understandable
people.
by all. Okay, so now next is Brijraj Singh Waghela.
Yes. My name is Brijat Vakila and I'm a public policy and governance student. My topic is the life. There is a great deal of worry around us the entire day, which make it parts of our brain obstacle. The pressure can merge at the office, at the home, in certain relation, or in whatever else. While taking care of these sort of pressure, people don't find the opportunity to see that excellence of life. We overcome that there is something more in our life, which is significant and wonderful. God has given us lot of beneficial things like the magnification of nature in our life. So don't underestimate the power of our nature life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Brijraj. Thank you for being so confident about your thoughts. Next, I would like to call upon Karan Bhatt.
Yeah, so good evening, guys. I am Karan from Defense Management, and I'm also a part of this Abhivyakti Club. And as far as this topic like Abhivyakti, to express yourself, as far as to express yourself is concerned, we have to open up ourselves, right? Because we are choosing MBA for, we are going for professional, these professional studies and going to be the leader of future time period. So we have this potential to open up with the people whom we are facing, right? Here only 40 to 50 members, right? And this is not the department. This is our BK family. If we do not open up in our family, how can we going to open up in the practical world, right? Even right now I am speaking. Right now I am talking about this introvert. My heartbeat is also beating on 360 to 480 speed, but I am trying and I am improving myself because I know if I want to be the leader, I should have to attract the people from my voice, from my words. And if Modi will say it like मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा, so he will not gonna be the Prime Minister of India. If Vijay Rupani says कि मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा, तो वो आज हमारे CM नहीं होगा. So we have to speak up. We have to open up our mind. We have to express ourselves in front of our family. Otherwise, nobody will know who you are. And 2 साल खत्म हो जाएंगे, किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि भाई करण कौन था, पूर्वा कौन थी. चले जाएंगे MBA की डिग्री लेके और वैसे पहले धक्के खाते थे वैसे ही खाते थे, राइट? तो ये मौका है, ओपन अप करो अपने आप को और बोलो. So thank you guys.
Thank you, Karan. It was really nice what you said.
Yeah.
सबको hit किया होगा.
Karan, you have to change your DP now because this would be a good looking right now, and that was totally a professional.
Thank you, Amit bhai, thank you. I will surely change it.
Okay, next I would like to call upon Anmol Khan who wants to share something with us. Anmol, are you here? Okay, she is here.
Her voice is not coming.
Anmol, unmute yourself now.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Got to unmute myself. So I was saying I wasn't sure about speaking, but like it's not a particular topic, but I would just like to share my feelings with all of you as we are a small family now. So I would say that 10 minutes ago I just lost my mom, and firstly it was extremely, heartbreaking and shocking. Obviously, you lose your mom, it's not easy for you. But what I would like to say is, we keep on blaming this lockdown. यार कब खत्म होगा ये lockdown क्यों आ गया pandemic? Obviously, I know it's not a good phase going on. Lockdown is tough for all of us. But I really feel thankful that, this lockdown happened. Because if this wouldn't have happened, I would have not got, time to spend with my mom. Due to this lockdown, I got like so much of time to spend with her. So I'm really thankful to God for that. And another thing I would like to share with all of you is that, you know, we many a times take our parents for granted. They give us so much love. They do the most for us, and we take them for granted. So I would just like to say, give them your all love, and value them, because you never know what is going to happen ahead in life, or how much time you are going to spend with them. So all I want to say, give them all your love and respect, and love them the way they love us unconditionally. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, Anmol. You are really an awesome person and a fighter, actually. And I'm really glad that me and my team could provide you a platform where you could share all this with, some of the people you're going to
Glad.
spend 2 years with.
Thank you so much, Purva and team.
Thank you, Anmol. Next, I would like to call upon Nikhil Bhavsar.
Hello everyone, I am Nikhil Bhavsar from Defense Management. I'm really nervous right now because I never talk to face anyone because I am very introvert, and I also feel nervous right now. And I don't have any topic to talk, but I come up with the here, and it's, yeah, I don't have anything, but I wanted to share about myself is I am like I love to travel and I love to sing, but I am never come up with these ideas and never talking with anyone. Yeah, just that's it. Thank you so much, Purva, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Nikhil. And देखो chat box में your friends are supporting you so much. So, like, I hope जब तक अभिव्यक्ति 2 साल में you will be actually singing songs for us by
Yeah, sure.
3 or 4 events down the line, and you'll be anchoring actually with me, hopefully. So
Yeah, I feel very
amazing.
nervous when I talk with someone, so I never do this.
No,
I
but
feel very happy right now and
yeah,
feel free.
so that's why. So get ready for our next event, Nikhil.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So next, I would like to call upon Kajol.
Thank you, Purva. Just I want to say something, few lines about the what we say that बहुत सालों से नहीं मिले हुए friends. थोड़े से कुछ lines. Those special memories of you will always bring a smile. If only I could have you back for just a little while. Then we could sit and talk again, just like we used to do. You always meant so very much, and always will do too. The fact that you are no longer here will always cause me pain, but you're forever in my heart until we meet again. Until we meet again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kajol. I'm sure people are missing the friends they've lost down the line. So yeah, now that's the list of participants whose names I had, but I still am encouraging, like there are 50 people here. So if anybody wants to go and say anything or share anything with us, please go ahead. If anybody would like to. Yes, Nishit. Yes, Nishit, please go ahead.
Good evening, everyone who all are presented here. I am joined with the public speaking club. Speaking is the word when many person have to tell that I don't, I do not speaking perfectly. My topic is how can I overcome my fear of public speaking. Fear Fear of public speaking is a common form of anxiety. It can range from slight nervousness to paralyzing fear and panic. Many people with the fear avoid public speaking situations altogether, or they suffer through them with shaking hands and a querying voice. But with preparation and persistence, you can overcome your fear. And I will say that speaking skills are defined as a skill which allow us communicate effectively. They give us the ability to convey information verbally and in a way that the listener can understand. And I added that a good speech should be like a woman's skirt, long enough to cover the subject and short enough to create interest. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nishit. That was amazing. So yeah, anybody else would like to go like on the spot? Then this platform is open for you. Yes, Aarti.
Hello. Good
Hi,
evening, all.
Aarti. We welcome you.
I want to share something. I have not decided before, but just I listen everybody, so I think I should also share my experience. So what happened when I was in the 10th standard? So मैं बहुत चिल्लाती थी, मतलब कि जोर से बोलना मेरी आदत ही थी. तो what happened कि मेरी आवाज एकदम से बिगड़ गई अचानक से, और कोई सुने तो उन्हें सुनने का भी मन ना करे, और मुझे अपनी आवाज बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं आती थी. एंड राइट नाउ यू कैन लिसन दैट सम ऑफ द कर्टर्स कि मैं बोलती हूँ ना तो अच्छे से आवाज नहीं होती मेरी. एंड एट दैट टाइम मुझे कुछ हम बोलते हैं ना कि जजमेंट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम आवर होम ओनली. अब मैं कुछ भी बोलती थी, माय सिस्टर यूज्ड टू इमिटेट मी कि तू ऐसे क्यों बोल रही है, अच्छे से बोल. एंड आई वाज लाइक, फिर मैंने तो बोलना ही स्टॉप कर दिया था. एंड मुझे कुछ खाना होता था तो मैं मेरी मम्मी को ऐसे इशारा कर दे कि मम्मी मुझे भूख लगी है, और मुझे बोलना होता था मम्मी से कि मम्मी मेरे बाल बना, तो मैं ऐसे बताती थी. मैंने बोलना ही बंद कर दिया था. एंड इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी. बट लेटर ऑन व्हाट माय मदर डिड इज, I just give me 1 minute.
Yes, Aarti, no worries. We are all here for you.
Okay, Purva. So I
फिर मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे बोला कि ऐसे चुप रहने की जरूरत नहीं है, अगर आवाज खराब हो गई है तो ठीक है, यू जस्ट स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग. ऐसे मुंह बंद करके बैठे मत रहो. अगर तुम्हें गाना पसंद है तो गाओ, लेकिन अगर तुम चुप ही रह गए तो तुम्हारे अंदर भी डर बैठ जाएगा. यू वुड नेवर बी एबल टू स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ एनीबॉडी. देन आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग. मैंने ऐसा सोच लिया कि किसी को आवाज पसंद आए या ना आए, बिकॉज माई फ्रेंड यूज्ड टू टेल मी कि तू मत बोल, तू जो बोलती है आपको समझ में नहीं आता. एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके, आई डोंट वांट टू स्पीक. एंड देन माय मदर टेल मी डू व्हाटएवर, स्पीक व्हाटएवर यू वांट. अगर बोलेगी तो आवाज स्मूथ होगी धीमे धीमे. फिर मैंने रियलाइज किया कि यार मम्मी इज स्पीकिंग राइट, एंड देन आई फॉलो व्हाट शी टोल्ड मी, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई ओवरकम माय फियर. So I want to tell everybody कि if somebody is facing this kind of situation, कभी कभी किसी को प्रॉब्लम होता है, कोई बोल नहीं पाता, या तो कुछ बॉडी में ऐसे होता है कि उन्हें शेम फील होता है. सो डोंट डिमोटिवेट देम, और मजाक तो उड़ाना ही नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज दे फील वेरी बैड अबाउट दैट कि वो मेरे में ये गलत चीजें, ये खामी है. जस्ट मोटिवेट देम and accept everybody in which they are. That's it. And thank you very much, Purva and team, for providing such a wonderful platform for us speaking.
Aarti, it is our privilege that you are here sharing how you faced your fear with us. And I hope this is the last time you get emotional on this topic, because abhi aage se na you have to be as strong as you are right now. And you can actually see in the chat box that all your friends are supporting you. And I feel very proud on behalf of my team that pehle hi hamare event mein we are getting such a good response and a warm response from all of you. Yes, Khushi, you are absolutely right. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे. So just keep, doing whatever you are doing anyway. Yes, Preksha Rawal, you want to go
Thank
next?
you
We
very
would
much.
love to hear you.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Good morning, good evening, Purva.
Hi,
I have
Preksha.
not
Hi, good
planned
evening.
anything.
That's
बट सब
fine.
बोल रहे हैं तो मैंने बोला कि अभी मैं भी बोल दूं. So on the day of Women's Day, I was like कि नहीं मुझे कुछ बोलना है, but I was not that much confident कि मैं कुछ बोलूंगी. Because my fear is being a judgmental, like अगर मैं ऐसा बोलूंगी तो वो लोग ऐसा सोचेंगे कि इधर कोई मुझे जानता भी नहीं है ज्यादा, दो चार लोगों के अलावा, क्योंकि मैं इतनी इंटरेक्टिव ही नहीं हो पाई क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत ही ज्यादा डर लगता है. अभी भी मैं शिवर कर रही हूँ, नर्वस हो रही हूँ, बिकॉज मेरा 12th तक तो गुजराती मीडियम था, फिर देन आई केम इनटू इंग्लिश मीडियम इन माय कॉलेज. सो आई वाज नॉट एबल टू टेक अ ड्रास्टिक स्टेप कि मैं सबके सामने कुछ बोल पाऊँ या एंड ऑल, बिकॉज जजमेंटल इज वेरी very deep down it hurts a lot when someone says something, whatever it was. But I was not good in English, I know. I'm not, still I'm not good in that much, but still I was trying and I am trying and I will be trying ke I speak English well, and I just come out from my fear, which is being judgmental. So thank you so much for giving this platform. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Preksha. We feel very happy, and ऐसा नहीं है. People know you and people appreciate you, and I'm sure, like, you are very happy right now. And
Yes, I
yeah,
am.
you said something on the spot, and that is amazing. So look, you are already, like, moving so much forward than where you were. Okay, so next we would like to call upon Sonak Thakkar.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. किसी ने बोला मैं इंट्रोवर्ट हूँ, किसी ने बोला मैं गुजराती मीडियम से हूँ, किसी ने बोला कि मैं शिवर कर रहा हूँ, किसी ने बोला मैं डर रहा हूँ, किसी ने बोला कि मैंने कभी किया नहीं है. सो व्हाट आर द थिंग्स जो हमें पीछे खींच रहा है, वो क्या है? लाइक जैसे अभी प्रेक्षा ने बोला कि मैं अभी भी शिवर कर रही हूँ एंड आई एम फ्रॉम गुजराती मीडियम, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे से बेहतर वो बोल गई. अब मेरा क्या होगा, क्योंकि मैं भी ऑन द स्पॉट वाला हूँ, मैं तो फंस गया अभी. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. सी इधर 51 लोग अभी प्रेजेंट है, और 51 में से मैं लगभग 30-40 को तो मिल चुका हूँ, या तो 30-40 को मिल चुका हूँ या 30-40 से मेरी बात हो चुकी है. एंड एवरी वन इज बेटर इन समथिंग. लाइक जैसे निखिल है, वी यूज टू हैंग आउट टुगेदर, हम लोग बाहर जाते हैं, और वो ही इज द मोस्ट फनीएस्ट वन अमोंग अस. मतलब वो जैसे जोक मारता है, हम तो सोचे भी नहीं कि वो मार लिया जोक, फिर हमको पता चलता है ये तो साला जोक था. फिर लाइक अथीरा, शी इज लाइक उसको मतलब वो ऑन द स्पॉट आंसर दे देगी. वो सोचती, मतलब वो सोचती है, लेकिन इतना प्रॉम्प्ट सोचती है कि हम लोग वहां पे अभी तक पहुंचे भी नहीं है. फिर यात्री ने बोला मैं इंट्रोवर्ट हूँ. मुझे कभी नहीं लगा यात्री इंट्रोवर्ट है, सॉरी यात्री. फिर बहुत सारे लोग हैं. अ, किसी ने कुछ खोया, किसी ने कुछ पाया, लेकिन व्हाट इज द थिंग इज लाइक, आज जैसे अनमोल ने बोला कि शी शेयर्ड हर स्टोरी. तो शेयरिंग योर स्टोरी विथ 52 पीपल्स इज नॉट इजी. उसको जो अंदर शांति मिली होगी ना, आज वो किसी को, पूर्वा को भी नहीं मिली होगी इवेंट करके. सो थिंग्स आर लाइक व्हेन यू स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग अप, you start sharing with someone, you start sharing with your friends, you have a feeling in you that नहीं, मेरे पास कोई है, कोई मेरा है. and it's like everything is fine with us. I am done with, मैंने जंग जीत ली, अब छोड़ो, मेरे को कुछ नहीं करना है. so प्लीज बोलो. जैसे अभी मैं श्रेय को देख रहा हूँ, अभी ऐसा लगेगा कि श्रेय तो यार कहाँ बोलता है. वन श्रेय कॉल्ड मी एंड वी टॉक फॉर 15 मिनट्स ऑन अवर कॉल. मैंने श्रेय को कभी मिला भी नहीं हुआ, नॉट इवन सीन द श्रेय. श्रेय कौन है मुझे पता भी नहीं था, बट या वी डिड. सो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मतलब मैं ऐसा हूँ, मैं ऐसा हूँ, बट या थिंग्स आर लाइक कि हमको ऑलवेज कभी ऐसा नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि मैं ये हूँ. And yes, thank you.
Thank you so
Lovely.
much, Sonak. Amazing.
That calls that how you have to love yourself. That
Exactly.
is most important
Yeah,
because when you
exactly.
love yourself, nothing should be worried.
And we
Tries
say
to
कि
be.
we don't trust this one, that one. लेकिन एक बार बोल के तो देखो किसी को. That person
Speak
might,
out.
you might be too early to judge that person.
यस
So,
पूरा वो अभी फेसबुक वाले भी ऐड कर ही रहे हैं ना, दिल खोल के देखो दुनिया खोल जाएगी।
yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Next, Krina would like to go. Krina, the platform is all yours.
Oh, hello everyone. Good evening. Am I audible, Purva?
Yes, you are.
Okay. Hello. So good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Hello.
Good evening.
And first of all, Purva, everybody, it is really a great evening, and the event is going really well. And cheers to everyone who came forward and speak. Especially, I think Anmol and Aarti. It really requires guts, to come forward and share your maybe the dark part or the emotional side that you are facing. So cheers to both of you. And I didn't decide the topic, but as I was attending everyone, so I just got this topic of introverts. So I think three people, Athira, Janmajay and Yatri, they were telling that being introvert, like they felt so bad about being introvert, because as a society we have said that being introvert, people will judge you anyway. If you're introvert, people will think that you have lots of attitude problem. If you are extrovert, then they will think that wo panchat kare chhe, he's like too show off, something like that. So being like anything we do, getting extreme in both the sides, it's not good. I think being yourself is best thing. If you are too introvert, that's also not good. If you are too extrovert, that's also not good. So we all are learning, and I think you guys don't feel bad when someone tell you that you are introvert. I think I am extrovert since childhood, but I never find people who are introvert that they have attitude problem. I always try to look their point of view, and I really respect them, because I think introvert people are really smart one. And કહેવાય ને કે જે ઊંડા પાણી શું કહેવાય, શાંત પાણી ઊંડા હોય, that one. Yes, so I think I really respect. I think you should embrace your side of being introvert, but I think I'm really proud that you came forward and tried to be more expressive. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Krina. And on public demand, next we have Mansi Thumar. Come on, Mansi.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I'm so sorry, but to do this, because right now only I'm decided that I want to speak, but since last 15 minutes I'm deciding that I need to speak, but after 15 minutes I get the confidence that right, I need to speak. Oh my God. I don't know what to speak, but I will try my best to speak. First of all, I would like to thank you, Purva, Amitji, and I forgot the name for this also, Athira, because you people were trying to say that you need to speak, and that's why I thought that right, we need to speak. And also Shonak, because he was like such that I need to speak, because if I don't, वो खुद पे आ जाता है ना वो कि अगर ये नहीं किया तो क्या किया यार तूने, बोल नहीं सकता। वे वैसी वाली फीलिंग आ रही है अभी तो। I don't know what to speak, but I just want to pass a very small message.
Should I give you the topic? Should I give you the topic, Mansi?
No, I don't want to speak that much. But I just want to say that love yourself and do whatever the things which you love and like. घूमो मौज करो, बस इतना ही कहना है मेरे को, बस। Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mansi, that you actually like talked. I mean, that's amazing. Khushi Zota, you want to go next? Come on.
Yes, so good morning, everyone. Actually, I don't have any topic as such, but as Anmol was saying that she lost her mother, and she was smiling while she was saying this, so she's really very strong, because even if I would be in a place, like I would be crying like hell. So like that's the biggest loss in someone's life, because losing your mom is not at all easy. Like सुबह उठने से लेके रात को सोने से पहले वी नीड अवर मॉम. लाइक मम्मी खाना दो, मम्मी चार्जर दो, मम्मी दरवाजा बंद करो, मम्मी शांति रखो. Like we keep on continuously ordering her and she never denies. So like imagining a life without a mom is very, very, very difficult. And Mol, you are very strong. My heartfelt condolences to you and your family, and always be happy and strong. And we all are with you. So, bas, thank you so much, everyone.
I would just like to say thank you so much, she and everyone, for showing so much love. At first, even I was very nervous that, should I speak about this? But then thought that, it's coming in my heart. And I really felt that I should, share this with all of you. And seeing so much love, I'm really, really, feeling good. And thank you, everyone. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Khushi. I mean, I know this might be just a few lines you said, but sometimes the less we say, the more impact it has on someone's life, and we might not even know that. So thank you, Khushi, for being there for Anmol on behalf of all of us. And now, Prakriti Mukul, would you like to go next?
Yeah, sure, Pura. I'm so happy to be over here listening to every one of them. Yeah, I won't say I'm an introvert person because the amount of buck I do nobody else's does. I can talk to any one of them to at any time at any place. So yeah, I can say I'm not those introvert, but I'll say that I do have some of the topics and I can relate to them very much. Like when I'll share my COVID situation. When actually COVID hit my family, it was like first it was my dad, then it was me, and then it was my mother. But I recovered sooner than them. But they were, as we know, that they don't have that much immunity and strength as they are older. So at that time, I was the only one rushing between hospital and home. So that was a moment for me when I was feeling that I have to be a strength and I don't want to make them feel like that they are missing out something, or I'm a burden on them, or anything like that. They're just like parents. I do understand what Anmol has gone through. Not totally, but I know what it feels like when it is so near and so close. And every one of them, I'm just so happy to see everyone to become an extrovert like me. I'll be having so many other friends to talk with. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Prakriti. And हमारा जो poster है ना, उसमें we have this, we have added this quote, जिसमें लिखा है कि there are only two types of speakers in the world. The first is the nervous kind, and there is the second, that is the liars. Like जो कितना भी extrovert इंसान हो, वो बोले ना कि नहीं मैं speech देने से पहले nervous नहीं, वो झूठ बोल रहा है. Because definitely ये possible ही नहीं है.
So true.
This is said by Mark Twain, and when Prakriti said, I want to share something, and I know it was not difficult for her उतना ज़्यादा, but होता है, सबके लिए थोड़ा difficult होता ही है. So yeah, like amazing. Next, Hemangi, your hand is raised. Would you like to go next?
Yes, Purva.
So yeah, we welcome you. The platform is all yours. Good evening.
Then I'm Hemangi, and now I'm going to share the journey from the small town girl to the MBA one. Yes, I'm living in the village where to find little package of Parle-G is difficult. Here the network issue is there. Here the study is the difficulty. To get the support from the family and all, it is the issue. But I would like to add something over here. That see, when I was in the primary school, in the government school, then I've admitted in the hostel, Rajkot. So that's a metro city. So I've admitted in the hostel, and then decided that नहीं, सब लोग बोल रहे हैं, मैं क्यों नहीं बोल रही है, ये बोल रहे हैं, मैं क्यों नहीं बोल रही. फिर मैंने कुछ कुछ टॉपिक पे बोलना शुरू किया, फिर लोग हंसते हैं कि चलो ये ऐसा बोलती है वैसा बोलते हैं, क्योंकि आप जब गांव में होते ना तो आपकी लैंग्वेज सिटी यानी कि जो टाउन पीपल होते हैं उनसे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट होती है, कि दे आर सॉफ्ट एंड पोलाइट, एंड हियर कुछ लैंग्वेज बैरियर होता है, आई मस्ट से. So then in the college we have started one club, as Mansi was with me and one of my friend was there. Then I have entered in the MBA study. Now the first difficult phase for me is that talking with the male students of my classmates or even my colleagues. Yes, I have done my whole study and the graduation with the girls' high school and girls' college. So it's a fear inside me that how would I interact with the male staff or the male colleagues of mine. And now literally I'm that much confident that I can speak with the people. But this new year I have decided that if I want to speak I have to compromise first my beloved things to speak in front of people. So I'm good in the dancing, so I have decided that no, this year I will compromise dance. I will not dance this year any competition. I will not took part in the dancing and speak starting. So here it's my journey that if you compromise and take risk, you are well set to go. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Hemangi. As you said, I'm also from a girls' school. So we actually, it might not be as difficult as it is for you. But when I remember when I was in 8th standard, and that was the first time मैंने tuitions join किए थे. So वहाँ पे there was girls and boys. And so people used to ask me, my teacher actually asked me कि तुमको फाएगा ना? यहाँ पे तो boys होंगे. And I still remember that question, कि मतलब people just like someone had said कि लोग बहुत judgmental हो जाते हैं without they don't even know us. So yeah, Hemangi, like wonderful. And I hope this year works out well for you and you can get back to dancing and speaking very soon. So,
Yes, thank you so much.
yes, anybody would like to go next? Hetvi, you want to go next?
Yes,
Then we'll
so
take Nupur.
I just wanted to tell one thing, Prakruti, I totally can relate with you. Like, we live in a joint family. I have 10 members at my family, and when COVID hit us, it was like miserable. 9 of us were COVID positive. So it was like one little girl. She just turned 9 last week. She wasn't positive, so we had to send her outside. It was no choice to keep her at home, and it was just miserable situation. So I would just like to tell everyone that please do take care when it hit her. When you get it, you don't have any chance. You can't take a chance. Like my heart is beating literally so fast right now. I can't even imagine how bad it would be when someone loses someone in family. So I just want to tell that please take care and please don't take it for granted.
I agree. Do wear mask, do sanitize properly, and just be in your own circle. Don't roam about doing things. I agree to that thing.
Like I belong to a medical family. Like we own a medical store. We have a bit of knowledge of how to take care of things. So still, it was really very difficult for us. So please do take care.
Thank you so much.
Karan bhai, you want to say something?
No, Amit bhai, I was just listening to fellow mates, and I'm happy that our event is very successful. Purva and all team members are very सोच रहे थे कि क्या होगा कैसे होगा, बट जो हो रहा है वो बिल्कुल बहुत ही अच्छा हो रहा है.
एग्जैक्टली करण भाई को मैंने कल बोला था कि क्या टॉपिक लेंगे, मैंने कोई टॉपिक ही नहीं सोचा, देन सडनली हाँ भाई सब लोग ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं, अच्छा लग रहा. थैंक यू पूर्वा once again.
Thank you everybody for constantly being there for me.
Purva, we all want to hear your thoughts about introvert and extrovert.
I will go last. Nupur wants to go. Nupur, come on. We welcome you, Nupur.
Hi, Purva.
Hi, Nupur. Hi.
Hi. Hello, guys. Hi. सॉरी मैं बहुत लेट जॉइंट हुई थी। कोई बात नहीं, जो पनिश या एक्चुअली मैं बाहर थी, अभी भी बाहर ही हूँ, बट मुझे लगा कि नहीं अभी जो भी है ठीक है, पहले तुम लाइक अटेंड करो क्योंकि तुम्हारी दोस्त का है यार। सो मतलब एक्सट्रोवर्ट इंट्रोवर्ट वो तो सब कुछ पता नहीं है, लेकिन इतना पता है कि मैं कुछ ज्यादा ही बोलती हूँ, यू नो। घर पे भी लग, जब मैं 5 मिनट भी सिंपल जैसे घर पे बैठती हूँ ना, नुपुर को क्या हुआ है, फीवर हुआ है या फिर सर्दी हुई है, देख लो, चेक कर लो, नुपुर ठीक तो है ना, वो बोल नहीं रही है, जी रही है, मर गई। लाइक हाँ भाई, क्यों, एक तो बोलूँ तो प्रॉब्लम, ना बोलूँ तो प्रॉब्लम, तो भाई करूँ तो करूँ क्या। मतलब मैं अकेली ये हूँ कि भाई नहीं, जो चाहे जी चाहे जब भी बोल लेती हूँ। और समटाइम्स कुछ ज्यादा एक्सट्रोवर्ट पर्सन भी नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि लोग भी ऐसे बोलते हैं कि यार कितना बोलती है, पका हुआ है, इसके साथ नहीं बैठने का है भाई, छोड़ दो, तो ज्यादा बकबक करती है और बोल 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 करती है, सो थोड़ा उसके साथ दूर रहे ना तो ही अच्छा है। सो तो लाइक जो भी नहीं बोल रहा है यहाँ पे, मैं उसको वो ही बोलना चाहती हूँ कि यार नहीं बोलोगी तो कुछ नहीं जाएगा, सिर्फ मन में रहेगा और मोटे होते रहोगे। सो उससे बेटर है कि निकाल दो तो पतले हो जाओगे। ये सिर्फ मेरा था लेना ये। ओके, सो बस मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ। और दूसरी चीज कि लाइक मैं कॉलेज में आई तब मैं किसी को नहीं जानती थी, लाइक कोई भी नहीं। सो दूसरे दिन के बाद मेरी सारे सबके साथ फ्रेंडशिप थी। पूर्वा के साथ, लाइक मेरी और पूर्वा के आज तक कभी बात नहीं हुई ऐसी पर्सनली, लेकिन नाम सुना है कि हाँ भाई हाँ ये पूर्वा थी, यस शी इज द बेस्ट एंकर एंड शी इज वेरी गुड इन एंकर। सौनक के साथ हाँ आईटी का कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हुआ मैं उनको फोन कर दी थी कि हाँ भाई सौनक देख लेना, ठीक है। और फर्स्ट वाज माय फ्रेंड इज क्रीना एंड यात्री। मतलब ये दोनों लड़कियां थी कि जिसके साथ मैंने बातें की और इतना मतलब उनको परेशान किया है। मतलब उस दोनों को पता है कि मैं क्या हूँ, लाइक वो दोनों अभी आई नो वो लाइक हंस रही है, लोग दोनों को पता है कि हाँ ये अभी आई है ना, ये बकबक करेगी, कभी पता नहीं कब जाएगी ये। सो कुछ भी है ना सिर्फ बोल दो, अरे मजाक ही उड़ाएगी ना, एटलीस्ट तुम किसी के लाइफ का जोक तो बन सकोगे ना, एटलीस्ट वो तो हम मतलब वो तो हैप्पी फील करो कि हाँ यार किसी का जोक बन गए ना, ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, हम किसी को स्माइल तो दे रहे हैं, कोई बात नहीं। मतलब जो भी मन में आए ना बोल दो, एक बार गलत होगा तो गलत, नेक्स्ट टाइम से पता चलेगा कि हाँ भाई बोला था ना गलत था, ठीक है कोई बात नहीं। बस मैं इतना ही बोलूंगी वरना लोग कंटाल जाएंगे। थैंक यू सो मच पूर्वा, थैंक यू।
Thank you,
Thank
Nupur.
you, Nupur, for coming. Yeah, you are from my department. Thank you so much.
This was very really yes, on the spot, and you were out and you actually participated. I mean, thank you so much. Okay,
Thank you.
so who wants to go next? Anybody who wants to share something or say something to anyone?
I would like to see that whenever you are participating in Garbas, I will choreograph all of girls.
Done.
Sure.
अमित भाई हमें भी मौका दीजिएगा कभी।
Sure, if you will participate, then I will choreograph you to you also.
डेफिनेटली अगर आप कोरियोग्राफी कर रहे हो तो मैं जरूर पार्टिसिपेट करूँ।
पक्का पक्का।
Sure, done.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes,
Sorry.
Yashvi. Hi.
Hi. Sorry, I joined late. Sorry.
It's fine.
Actually, talking, I won't judge anyone because judging someone it's very wrong. But I want to say one thing that tell whatever is there in your mind. Just tell it up. Whatever result will be there, don't care about the result. Just tell it up. Because being real is very important while talking, because the same impact goes upon the opposite person. If you are cheat, unloyal or not honest, those only while telling something, those only impact goes upon the opposite person. So whatever you say, you should tell truth, and don't use like you should don't to get something, don't lose your ethic, because ethic for a person it's very important, like niti, niyam, naitik, satyata, vagera vagera. I think my thought is a bit old fashioned, but I think those thought are only good, because however you will be modern, but you're gonna use old things only. So that's my importance, that you should be real. Okay, that's it.
Thank you so much, Yashvi. Those were some wonderful, things you reminded all of us. So yeah, thank you for participating. So now, is there anybody who really has been waiting कि मैं बोलूं या नहीं बोलूं? Or by like we are almost coming to the end of our program. Anybody wants to say anything? Okay. So now I have written a little something. I wrote this last night only because I was really missing my grandparents and I couldn't like share it with anybody because there was nobody, it was like very late at night. So मैंने सोचा कि क्या करूँ? So I was like कि कल मेरा ही event है. So उसमें why not, इसके बारे में ही कुछ लिख दूँ. So I've written something. So like here I go. So life is what happens when you are too busy making other plans. The fact that sometimes we don't have pictures of the moments we have been the happiest at is the proof that you don't or you can't plan the moments that become unforgettable. You can't plan memories. And isn't life actually the journey of the happiest moments, the unforgettable moments, and the memories we have made? Right there, I've given something to think about to everybody here. I'm just here to share with you all that yes, focus on your goals, create yourself, get that 6-figure salary, go after that sports car you have dreamt of. But amongst this, don't forget to live the unplanned moments, the tiny moments where you bring a smile on your grandparents' face, that warm hug that you give your mom, that sick laugh with your best friend, and that cute compliment that brought a smile to your teacher's face. It's okay if you didn't get that Instagrammable picture, but it won't be okay if one day when you'll be sitting alone and sipping coffee and you couldn't come up with one single memory where you were just being yourself or something that distinguished my imprinted on your brain that you don't even need a picture. That's it, guys. Love yourself, love others around you, and remember, life is what happens to you when you are too busy planning. So, kind of take some time out for the unplanned moments that life wants you all to have. Thank you so much. That's it from my side.
Great, Purva, great. Such beautiful thoughts, yeah.
Thank you so much.
And we are so blessed that we are in this group, in this club, where you are our head.
Thank you so much. And I really appreciate my team because I never thought, ki my program or my event would go for more than 1 hour. Like it's been already 1 hour, 20 minutes since we all are here. So yeah, now it's time when we conclude our very first event of the club Abhivyakti. Todo Bandhan Bolo Sab Jan. Athira.
I take this opportunity on behalf of Abhivyakti and I'm thanking each and everyone for participating and for joining today. And I thank Neelam ma'am and Darshini ma'am for their constant support.
I thank my team of Abhivyakti for actively helping in making this event a success and I thank each and every one of you. ये मेरे स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं है but सच में मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ जिन जिन लोगों ने आके भी सपोर्ट किया और एंड आई स्वेयर दैट वी ऑल लाइक हमारे दिमाग में एक चीज तो डेफिनेटली आ जाए कि हम बेटर इंसान तो डेफिनेटली बने हमने जो बातें सुनी हमने किसी के बारे में कुछ सुना किसी के लिए हम खुश हुए किसी के साथ हमने उसका दुख शेयर किया सो डेफिनेटली दिस इवनिंग मेड अस बेटर ह्यूमंस That's it, guys. Hope you all had fun as well as a constructive learning experience. And we would love to see you all again with our second event very soon. Thank you so much.
And thank you so much to my team even for such an awesome event which we had organized. And I'm really lucky to be a host with you, Purva.
Thank you. It's my pleasure, always. Thank you, guys, once again.